If you want to do a quick drain and fill on a RX350 2008 Lexus, you have to purchase some super long life antifreeze coolant. I buy the Toyota one, which is probably twice the price as buying it in AutoZone. You wouldn't get original, but you'll get something similar. Right, this is a pink fluid, factory fill pink fluid. There it is. Alright, and if you just want to drain your radiator, right, what you need to do is take the shield off, this one that goes over this area here, and right in the back here, this drain valve, you just turn it a few times, not all the way, and you stick a piece of hose in the drainage line, and that way you could drain it all the way out to this container. Alright, don't forget to recycle it responsibly. I think Advanced Auto and AutoZone takes it, but I'm not sure. I plan to take it to the dump, my local dump, and dispose of the fluid. So that's what I'm going to do. And then when you finish, it takes about 15 minutes to drain. Just remove the hose and tighten it back up and fill it back up. This will not take the fluid out of the engine block, but I figure it's better to change 50% than not to change it. So I'm going to change it now, run it for a few weeks, and then change it again. So that will probably give me a 75% change, and that should take care of it for another couple of years. Any questions, let me know. Oh yeah, to make your life a bit easier when refilling, you should definitely buy one of these. Alright, they come with different fittings for different vehicles and different extensions for hard places that the funnel wouldn't reach properly, elbows and so on. And with that, it's pretty easy to fill. I tried filling the radiator without this device, and it took like 15-20 minutes because, you know, it kept bubbling up, and you know, you had to throw a little bit at a time to get it to go down. This is really, really easy. Just pour. Alright, if you want to lock it off, you just take this and push it down, and it will stop the water going down. So in case this fills up and you need to drain it back in, there's no spillage. You just pull it off and it comes right off of this, straight off, and then you could drain it out. So it's very, very convenient. I'll put a link for this item in at the bottom.